Greetings to all. I am Said Mustafa Ahmadi, the head of Creative Youths Group. My hard working and my colleague Shoaib, Safidat, Naeem, Mustafa and I made this team. Our main purpose is to motivate and to encourage creative teenagers and especially young generation so that they can show their talent and creativity and its usage as well as possible. Our second purpose is to make young generation able to have a clear view in technology and other fields which can improve our country in every aspect. I have made this project using robotic education and Arduino that is a part of robotic education. I just turn on my car when it's something bang its way, it stops and it stands around and look where the freeway is and go to that way, and if something bounce its way again, it will do the same process. And our robot which can perform without any rider is smart and doesn't crash to any obstacle it faces.
And it is a radar which is made by Arduino and it's mostly used in military cases. And the encoder and decoder are controlled by a sensor. When anything moves in front of it, it recognizes and shows the distance and angle. When something appears in front of it, there will be a warning on computer screen in red. Where something approaches or goes away, this radar just creates radio waves.
We are so glad sharing our activity with other international schools, and we are glad to join to this community. Thanks.